And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
We'll get a big severe weather outbreak to our northwest this evening. It's still moderate risk here, northwest Illinois, Iowa, parts of Wisconsin, down into Missouri. For us, overnight to very early tomorrow morning is marginal to slight risk. Now, here's the thing about tonight. We're very capped. In fact, we are so strongly capped, there is a question whether anything can get in here tonight. There will be some supercells down here in Missouri that try to come northeastward, but a lot of the data suggests that these will completely collapse as that cap will be over the area and may even strengthen overnight. So have it in the back of your head, if we can get any erosion of that cap and we can get a supercell in here, it would pose a wind, tornado, and hail risk. But the confidence is very iffy. And as long as this cap stays in place, we won't see much in the way of severe weather risk tonight. But have it in the back of your head. We got to watch and see if a storm can completely break through and move northeast, we could have a severe storm. So this would be 2 to 7 a.m. But tomorrow, it's definite severe. I mean, there's no question about it tomorrow. No capping issues. It's an enhanced risk. We'll probably have an upgrade to a moderate risk. Enhanced is 3 out of 5. Moderate's 4 out of 5. Some severe gusts, can't rule out a little hail, and there could be a few tornadoes. And watch for some localized flash flooding due to a quick 1 to 3 inches of rain. And I do think it's really 9 a.m. to as late as 2 or even 3 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. So let's dig in with Futurecast. Here's 9:30 tonight. There's your tornado outbreak up here. We look into the overnight and early tomorrow morning. This is 6 a.m. These very few, very light showers, that's all that's left of a couple supercells down here in Missouri. That's what the model is showing. Again, got to watch it closely, though. This model has us very capped at 6 a.m. Cap erodes. Then we watch storms developing. This is 8:30. Here we are towards late morning into the afternoon hours. Here are some of the storms coming in. So some scattered severe storms, and then a squall line of storms comes through. And then after 2 or 3, we're in good shape. We just cool off a little bit. And just partly cloudy Thursday and into Friday. Easter weekend looks great. This little cold front up here could bring a few showers and thunderstorms by Monday. But we look at tomorrow. Tonight's going to be a record warm night. Lows only in the upper 60s to around 70. Very warm for early April, and that's where we are tomorrow morning. Then we have the severe weather threat. Then it's on the wane. Temperatures fall, but also tomorrow, strong, just plain old gradient winds, gusts 45 to 55 miles an hour. That is why we've got the wind advisory up. So these highs in the 70s will fall into the 50s to the 60s by late tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Then Thursday's cooler. It's partly cloudy, breezy, 33 in the morning and a 50 during the afternoon. And there are the highs, upper 40s to as high as 54 during the afternoon. All right, your 70s, 74, then starting to fall off late in the day tomorrow. 50 Thursday, 58 Friday after a frosty morning. Pretty nice Easter weekend. That storm system is slowing down, so if we're going to get any sort of rainfall scattered about, it's going to be Monday or Monday night. Highs upper 60s. And with this, what we call a negative PNA and this rapid emergence into El Nino, we're just going to bottle all the cold air up in the Dakotas, up towards out towards the west. So for us, we're going to be under the influence of the big southeast ridge. So look at that. There's not a lot of cold weather. Highs in the 60s Wednesday, Thursday.